Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2017 Mazda 3, stock number 6102. This ran from 11th 2013 to 2nd 2019. It has a PE 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by 6-speed manual transmission. This is a PE 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Right front 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Right front door mirror. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Right rear tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Right rear door, 1 dent. Right front guard, no dents. Right front 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Right front door, no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, manual gear stick, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen satnav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,